Hello everyone! Welcome to the Little Miniature channel. Today I am going to draw and color beautiful temple step by step for kids. Let's start drawing. First, I will draw 3 triangles, and this is the first one. These 3 triangles are the top of the temple. This is triangle number 3. I draw 2 numbered lines on both sides, left side and right side. I'm drawing 2 more lines here. And this is the upper part of the middle of the temple. I am drawing 3 large windows in 3 places very beautifully. This is the main gate of the temple. Now, the 3 upper flags of temples. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Amazing! Let's start coloring. Red color. Now I will apply red color to the upper part of the temple in 3 triangles. Beautiful! Wow, that's great! Orange color. Now I am doing a beautiful orange color on the walls of the temple. I will give the exact same color here too. It is orange color. Light green color. I am currently coloring the medallion part of the temple in light green color. Wow! Awesome! 3 windows light blue. And the same colors being given to the main gate as well. Amazing! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you next video!